protection of from corrosion. This topic we have some little bit balance, no? Like aluminum coating is that they are providing this topic. Say aluminum metal protection from corrosion will start from the aluminum properties of aluminum alloy, application of aluminum and aluminum alloys, beryllium, magnesium, and stainless steel. Now, the aluminum is a product mostly used for the metal surface coating purpose. Aluminum powder, okay, zinc powder, stainless steel powder, we can coat it. Now, aluminum is the most don't speak, is the most abundant element in the earth crust and also most important of the non-ferrous metal. Aluminum is a silvery white in color, and it is light metal with a density of 1/3 of the steel or bar. So the density of this metal is very less compared to the metal, no, mild steel and all. It is 1/3. It is a good conductor of electricity that we know. On conductivity to weight basis, the aluminum is better conductor than copper. So it is better conductor than copper also. Okay, aluminum is very ductile. Even copper also ductile. That's why we can draw into the wire. So, then one conductivity to weight basis aluminum is better conductor than the copper. Aluminum is very ductile. That's the good corrosion resistance to aluminum is due to the thin oxide layer on its surface. Aluminum has great affinity for oxygen. Any fresh metal in the air rapidly oxidizes to give a thin layer of oxide on the metal. Suppose fresh metal, if it get contact with the open air, there are chances of oxidize. Another layer will form. It will oxide as a powder as a. There are chances. So this surface layer is not penetrated by oxygen and protect the metal from the further attack. The layer at the point, it will make a shield like, and it will get protected further attack. Good conductor of heat, high thermal conductivity, non-magnetic, and metal point of aluminum is melting point of aluminum is 650 degrees centigrade. This theory issue everybody has to be remembered. Okay, the aluminum is a light metal, good conductivity. Let's see, it is get melted at 650 degrees centigrade. Okay, it has high thermal conductivity, and one more property that it is non-magnetic. Okay. When you are checking the aluminum, you should check with the magnet. Suppose aluminum is magnet lagta, then it's mixture of ions, mixture. If it is not get attracted, means it's a pure aluminum. You can check it. Non-magnetic and melting point 650 degrees. The fusion range of aluminum alloy is 520 degrees centigrade to 650 degrees centigrade. Characteristic of good aluminum: light in weight, 1/3 of the weight of the steel, high thermal electric conductivity, non-toxicity. This is also important. Because of this non-toxicity, we can use it for the utensils in kitchen. We can eat in the aluminum thing. We can cook also in the aluminum metal. Then soft and ductile, low specific gravity, low strength to weight ratio, high reflectivity, and they exhibit toughness and high strength. Now, these are the all properties of aluminum. Now, there are properties of aluminum alloy. Aluminum alloy, it's a mixture of aluminum with some other metal, maybe magnesium or any other. So, aluminum alloys, aluminum form high strength alloy in conjunction with other metals such as copper, chromium, nickel, iron, zinc, manganese, silver, and manganese. These are the elements we can use to mix with the aluminum and form the alloy. Okay, aluminum mixed with the copper will get another alloy. Chromium, mix you can get some other property. You can mix with nickel, then iron, zinc, manganese, silver, and manganese. Some aluminum alloys are more than 4 times as stronger than same weight of the mild. Okay, as I mixed with metal goods at the boy, it is a 4 times stronger than same weight of mild. Mild is stronger. They are malleable and ductile. They exhibit toughness, become stronger, and temperature below ordinary atmospheric range. They do not work well at temp of the order 300 to 400 centimeters. Aluminium and its alloy can be cast, forged, welded, extruded, and rolled, etc. Aluminium and its alloy can be cast, forged, welded, and extruded, and rolled, etc. Cast means you can do the aluminium cast, melt, crop, and you can put into the form. And inside casting, you can get a desired shape and size. It's aluminum casting. Forge means you can change the shape size by heating. You heat it. Then welded, aluminum can be welded. Aluminum welding is very costly, and you will not find some skilled labor also. It's a commodity welding. It requires very high skill, but if you know how to weld this aluminum, you will get success. Okay, there are a lot of demand for this aluminum weld. Then extruded roller and etc. Someone can start their business also. You can learn how to weld the aluminum, put small workshop. Some there will be high demand for it. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe check Asla photo or I don't know. Naviri someone who is doing, but very rarely person are doing. Nitare, the application of aluminum and aluminum alloys. Structure framework, engine parts, trim and decorative features, hardware, doors, window frames, tanks, furnishing fitting. This is already cover. In food industry, aluminum alloys find applications are the both application video is there. Just watch this video.
Welcome to the world of you and I.
NX mode.
Trim and decorative features. In this video, we will discuss about the trim and decorative features. Aluminum doors, aluminum fitting, aluminum tanks, aluminum chair, aluminum windows. Many component parts are made up of aluminum alloys.
Okay, these are the uses of the aluminum alloys. Then, food industry, we have this aluminum also have uses. You can see.
Application of aluminum alloys. In this video, we will discuss about the application of aluminum alloys. Shipping containers.
These are made of aluminum alloys.
Aluminum cooking utensils, aluminum containers, all containers.
This thing also made of aluminum.
These type of
Aluminum
aluminum
foil is
alloys
also
are
available,
used
parts
in
of the
food
food
industry.
So applicable in the food industry. Train, trucks, bus, automobile, cars, aeroplane use many component parts made of aluminum alloy. In food industry, the aluminum alloys find application that is food preparation equipment, refrigeration, storage container, shipping container. In architecture field, used for the window frames, doors, hardware, roofings, railing, fasteners, lighting fixtures, solar shading, and grills, etc. In process industry, used to handle organic chemical, petrochemical, and drugs. Used to produce tanks, drums, pipes, heat exchanger, grating, smokestacks, precipitators, centrifuges, valves, fitting, etc. So there are various products we can produce by using the
Applications of
aluminum.
aluminum products. In this video, we will discuss about the applications of aluminum products. Pipes, valves, drums, fittings, gratings, tanks, heat exchangers, smokestacks.
These chimneys and all made of aluminum.
Aluminum products used to produce different products.
Understood, no? What are the various uses of the aluminum industry? This alloy, I will not take. Beryllium, I think we already discussed. Beryllium is another alloy from the aluminum. It is light, tough, highly ductile, and easily castable. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Corrosion resistance. Approaches steel in strength, and its density is one-third that of steel. So it is almost equal to the steel. Density of this again one-third. Strength-wise is almost equal to the steel. Okay, now application. This type of beryllium mostly used in where? Due to the good strength and low viscosity, they find extensive use in the aircraft industry. Most of the aircraft, all aircraft industries, the beryllium is used. Fix used in making automobile and locomotive parts, where all the automobiles, the body one type of, they are made of aluminum, that is a very important. Due to high conductivity and good electrical conductivity, used in making surgical instrument, cables, fluorescent tube caps, etc. So to make this surgical instrument, cables, fluorescent tube caps, this can be done by using a beryllium metal. Magnalum is another aluminum alloy. It is strong, tough, and lighter than aluminum. The possesses mechanical properties similar to brass. Then used for making cheap balances, airplane parts, and scientific instruments. So this is used to have limited purpose. It making cheap balances, airplane parts, scientific instruments. Electron application used for crankcase of engine, cover brackets, similar lightly stressed component, and construction of the pens, petrols, oil tanks, brake components, and gearboxes. Electro application, we just watch this.
Magna aluminum electron applications. In this video, we will discuss about the Magna aluminum electron applications, gearboxes, brake components, crankcase of engine, oil tanks.
So the products we can manufacture by the Magnalum. Now next, the metal is what? Stainless steel. That adding chromium to low carbon steel gives its abrasion and corrosion resistance. So if we add a chromium to a low carbon steel, maybe MS low carbon steel with chromium mix केले, it gives abrasion corrosion resistance. If look change होता है, it gives abrasion corrosion resistance. Second, in addition to iron, carbon, nickel, and chromium, if you add iron, carbon, nickel, and chromium, and modern stainless steel may also contain other elements such as the niobium, molybdenum, and titanium. If you mix all this, iron, carbon, nickel, chromium, modern stainless steel may also contain their elements such as the niobium and molybdenum and titanium. Nickel, molybdenum, and niobium and chromium enhance the corrosion resistance to stainless steel. It is the addition of minimum 12% of chromium to the steel tank make it resist rust or stainless than other type of steel. Chromium is a steel component combines with oxygen in the atmosphere to form a thin, invisible layer of chrome containing oxide called a passive film. Application of stainless steel. Where the stainless steels are used. Just
Applications of stainless steel. In this video, we will discuss about the applications of stainless steel, construction materials, cookware, stainless steel cutlery, stainless steel plates, stainless steel coils, stainless steel wires. There are over 150 grades of stainless steel, of which 15 are most commonly used.
Stainless steel wires are also available. Now, what are different grades of stainless steel? See, stainless steel is this product knowledge you must have. As per the aluminum, stainless steel, copper, brass, and metal upper, the industry plus as well as day-to-day life user. Okay, you should know which type of grade where it is. Cast iron, by steel, MS, copper, aluminum, brass, and stainless steel. This is the very common metals and basic mostly used in the common life. हम use करते हैं तो मतलब now stainless steel where we are using. Yeah, utensils as well as nowadays the person all your mummies and all they are more concentrated on the kitchen हो रहा हमारे so cabinet kitchen and all like cabinet kitchen trolleys open वाले कोई no there are some basket असते हैं that basket is made of some stainless steel. Okay, they have certain grade, 304 grade, 301 grade. If good grade materials, it will survive more life. Okay, push it but you should know, you must have the basic idea of that. Question take a Marwadi Santu Arapna. Current Magi 304 grade, after using some time, it will get start rusted. So don't you should not be full. After you of course full you should know what should be the grade. But which is the perfect grade, how we can mention, how we can check. Now the stainless steel, the stainless steel is resistant to corrosion and staining. It has low maintenance and is familiar to make it an ideal material for many applications. The initial cost of this material is very high, but once you buy it, it will remain lifetime for you. Will not get rusted. Okay, guaranteed. There are over 150 grade of stainless steel. कितने 150. Can you imagine? हम तो क्या कौन grade हम था हमके 304 grade even my flat also same situation. It start rusted. हम तो खबर अब but that's why we have to go for the standard traders. Hingo हंते branded are this go see there are 150 grades of stainless which 15 are most common. So 150 are the most commonly used. Stainless 301 high strength for roll form structure compound. 303 free machining bar grades. 304 standard 18 by 18 grades. So they are 304 grade, but they are using less than this. They not want the like some 150 grade dust. Okay, they are using that and they are saying this look like shining this stainless steel. Then here they have not mentioned 316. Okay, there is another one more grade is there. Stainless steel 316, which is very costly but lifelong. That they have not mentioned. 409 is there. 410. These are all low grade. 409 automotive exhaust grade and well stabilized. 410 low duty hardened application and 430 resistance to mildly corrosive environment. Only mild, but these are pictures. They are low grade, very low grade. These are the standard. 316 not mentioned. Which is highest grade after 304, no? 316. The alloy is mild into coiled sheets, plates, bar, wire, and tubing to be used in cookware, cutlery, households, hardware, surgical instrument, and major appliances industry. So nowadays, the stainless steel major use in the surgical instrument. Okay, the surgery they all are made of stainless steel, not ordinary grade, very high grade. Okay, it remain your inside body also. It's a plate they are made of very good stainless steel. So it will not get rusted. Lifetime plate, lifetime. So they are mostly, that's why the cost of that metal is very high. The major application industrial equipment. And automotive and aerospace structures, alloy and construction material in a large building. So it can be refinished by any jeweler and will not oxidize or transparent. Some firearms incorporate stainless steel component alternative to the blood or peroxide steel. So some automotive manufacturers use stainless steel are decorative highlights in their vehicle. Today, आपल्या vehicle the shining stainless steel light rod like that. Something decorative. Even if you go in your house also, they are putting stainless steel railing look wise. There are actually some chrome plated, some are stainless steel. but look wise some decorative also item. If you enter in the pharmaceutical company, you will find everything stainless steel. Okay, everything, because they cannot use NS and all. They have to be food grade. They all that your drugs powder, no tablet powder, they are handling with the stainless steel. It has to be food grade. With the cell, after passing this course, you may be some gallery, interview gallery, and if required to visit the pharma industry, you will see everything stainless steel. Even it's piping, no water piping, air piping, that pipes also stainless steel. Very costly. But it's required that air, compressed air of sending in the inside of it require main utility square. For any industry manufacturing units, they require main utility like water, utility no main, yeah, water like then steam like water, steam, air conditioning, chilled water like so that they can supply by pipelines. But a compressor, nowadays compressor is very much. Permanent compressor, now we have a compressor. So that in the utility there will be a compressor and it start giving so many cubic feet, 150, 200 cubic feet. And that start delivering to the plant.